Hi everyone, this is Julie here. So I'm gonna try and go into the secret room of the beach cottage. I believe it's called the boiler room. This cottage was built like 20 years ago. And I've never been inside this secret room. So I think I'm going to check it out, but I'm too scared. I gotta go fetch my grandma. Although I do not know where the Thanksgiving poster is. And today is the day of the dinner. I did not go inside because I was too scared.
Was it spooky?
I did not even touch the door.
Oh, okay.
So do you want to come with me?
Yeah, but I need a minute. I can't leave my stuff.
Okay.
Let me turn it off.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, guys. This is the butter turkey. Have you seen like this before?
All right, let's go.
If you have, let me know in the comments. All right.
Hey.
Okay, so we are going
They're on their way home.
downstairs to the boiler room. Let me close this door. And we are heading to the boiler secret room. I've not been here for 10 years. 10.
So see, it's not really scary.
Okay, this is the secret room.
All right, I'm gonna get the signs over here.
Okay, my grandma's going to look to see if the sign is here.
No sign.
No, it's not over there. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I'm going to see all of you in the next video. Bye. Look at how tall I am to this door. I'm like almost tall as the door.
Oh, really?
Do I look like the tallest woman in the world? The answer is no. I mean, I am very tall.
Whoa. Nope, not in the bottom.
Almost never mind. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see all of you again in the next video. Bye for now.